limbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with Jamendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. Niggas will be begging that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in. I gotta watch my time. Stepper, 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 only stepping for a track. Stepper, 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 gotta step on niggas.
What is good, you guys? Welcome back to another banger video, man. We are in the 535i, the F10. We are here. Just started the car. POV, man, because I'm on the way to full blown right now. I'm about to go see what they got going on today. I'm gonna see if they got any cars on dyno, what crazy cars they got. But yeah, on the way there, I thought I might as well do a somewhat of like a POV drive. See what I see, do all that, have fun, whatever. So yeah, let's go ahead and put it in drive and get on out of here. So now we are on the streets. I turned off sport mode with traction and all that. I turned off sport mode. I am in normal mode, to just get the car, the temps, oil and all that up to temperature, because I don't want to do any hard push in the car. The car and the oil is still cold. So yeah, while I'm cruising for a bit before I hop on the freeway, I thought I'd just tell y'all like my plans and everything. Really, shortly, probably within the next 2 weeks, I will be going just stage one, just basic stage one tune intake, and then I'm gonna do my exhaust, and then I'm gonna go to stage one that route and run that for a while. I do want to be able to go on full E85, because one, this car does drain gas like a motherfucker, and it's crazy because gas over here in Orange County is expensive, and I think over there is a red eye, but I'm not sure. But yeah, this car drains gas on 91 like crazy, so I might as well just run E85, because one, I get more power out of it when I tune it for that, and just other things. But yeah, I can't wait to go stage one, because this car is fun. It's definitely as fun as is. I've been doing a few like hooning around and stuff like that. If you've been following my Snapchat and Instagram, I've been posting my random burst of moments when I want to do burnouts and stuff. Obviously, I've recorded, and the stunt driver, he does it, and I put it on Instagram and Snapchat and all that. But yeah, this car is definitely fun, but I do want to wake it up a little bit. This car is definitely quiet, but still sounds good, so, which is like crazy. So I'm excited to see how it sounds when I do my exhaust and go like stage one and all that, because low key, it'll be fun. See, get sideways easy. This car gets sideways so easy. Oh my god. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I really can't wait. Fire truck. I really can't wait to really have fun with this car, because one, my peoples at Best Motorworks on Instagram, they specialize in BMW, and I used to work with them and help them out and all that. So I've been learning a lot of BMW stuff from them. So obviously this is an N54, it's an N55, which is still more on the reliable side. Obviously, once you start building, tuning stuff and all that, then it's not gonna be ever as reliable no more. But in terms of keeping it somewhat of a reliable form, then yeah, this is a platform to do it with. And I do love the big body. It has grown on me, because if you know all my cars I've had on the channels have all been coupes. Literally never had a car in town personally that was not a coupe. So yeah, this 4-door is growing on me. I got a lot of space in here, but yeah, look at knots right there. I can't wait to go back. Summertime coming up, and yeah, it's gonna be fun, man. But anyways, yeah, I can't wait to go down pipes, tune, run stage one and all that. But yeah, this car is definitely fun. I'm excited to do different types of content. I'm thinking of just putting on, so my ultimate form, like the final finish of this car, I feel like it's gonna be super, super dope. like more Batman style, but still lit. So first thing I'm gonna do is honestly add the carbon mirror caps and the carbon splitter, and maybe a carbon spoiler in the back, just like a little duck bill or something like that. But a low-key, every time I drive down the street on beach and near like Brandon Park, it's pretty fun because it's open road. There usually isn't really cops. I don't want to knock on wood, but there usually isn't really cops in here. So whenever there isn't traffic, I do be having a little bit of fun and all that. But yeah, man, comment down below and let me know if you guys like this little POV style videos. But yeah, because it's different, because, you know, sometimes I don't really like showing my face and stuff like that. So yeah, this gives a different idea. And honestly, I've been liking like different other YouTubers and their videos doing like POV style. Let's go ahead, pop the transmission and traction off into sport completely. And let's go ahead and pop the car into fully sport mode. And then about to enter the freeway. Hopefully we catch this light. Sometimes people don't know how to drive, but I want to get a pull-in up. We're not going to make this light. I was going to run it, but yeah, man, this is all recorded. But honestly, now, yeah, it gives us a better pull. So yeah, traction completely off. Car's in full sport mode. If it feels the old me, I would definitely try and, you know, go hit this corner right here, but I'm not gonna do that. But coming soon to a video near you, I will be doing burnouts and drifting this on video. But yeah, in sport mode, this car definitely wakes up a little more. So let's try and get a little pull in for you guys. Definitely is fun. Definitely is fun. Damn. Well, one pull a day keeps the cops away. Put that back in normal mode, so we can just cruise on to full blown, man. But I'm not sure exactly if you guys are going to be able to hear the exhaust. But yeah, only thing that this car has done to it is a resonator delete. But still debating on whether I want to go the catless downpipe route, or for now just take off the mufflers. I'm not sure. Again, all my homies are saying to keep the mufflers on, but just do the catless downpipe and charge pipe. But the other me is like, I just want to cut the mufflers off because it's easy. So I don't know. I should just be patient and chill and probably just go the catless downpipe route. But I honestly heard one of these like a few days ago on the streets with catless downpipe and no muffler. So I'm assuming completely straight piped and stuff, and it sounded really, really good. But I don't think I really want that type of attention from the cops. So I think I'm just going to catless downpipe route and keep the mufflers on while still not having my resonator. So that might be the route I go with. But yeah, that's going to be next. Is exhaust will be next, and then the tune will be after that. I might also just pick up a intake. Hey, all lucky for like everybody has been doing burnouts of it. Burnout Central, dog. We in Mexico with it though. Yeah, this car is so funny, y'all. But yeah, let's not get too far up ahead of our asses though. Yeah, they filming a movie or music video right there. Dang, low key, you hear the turbo. Damn, that's a nice BMW truck right there. But you low key hear the turbos though. Well, we're about to pull up to full blown now. Let's see what they got going on today, y'all. Yeah, man, my boy Mel. See my BMW right there, but see my boy Mel got his scat. That is crazy. That boy Mel got it. So Mel, his scat is cam, tuned, and built motor, I believe. One thing I hate is when I first get a car wash and birds decide to shit on the car. Man, I just got the car wash, bro. I feel like this color, you know, grabs birds' attention or something. But let's see. Alright, luckily we don't see no tire marks or anything, so you know our evidence is not there. But yeah, man, this is pretty fun car, bro. This is a purple one. Same thing, but I'm assuming it has headers and all that, but way louder. Pops go crazy on this though. That makes me want to already do my exhaust and do my burble tune on my Beamer now, man.
Stepper, only stepping for a track. Stepper,